earlier I was looking for rich guys.
No 6 feet.
Now it doesn't matter. That is not love. That is crush. Crush तो मुझे हर दूसरे इंसान से हो जाता है.
You are 20 days away from Vipassana course. मतलब बस show खत्म होने के बाद we know where to find you.
कि some guys are with me only because I'm popular.
Marry the rich man. She is the rich man.
Have you been on like really bad date?
I mean, I think I was the bad date. You should go out on weekends and drink.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम किसी गलत
Yeah.
I have learned a lot. I have learned my lesson.
एक तो outside image हम सबको ऐसे ही लगता है यार.
बेटा अभी नहीं आया, तुमसे बहुत देखे हैं.
क्यों follow कर लो यार. Hi, I'm Aparna and today I'm going to rant about how much I hate my 20s. हो गया मेरा.
Hi, I'm Sanjana and I'm looking for a time stone so that I can go back to my 20s because it was very chill. There was no such thing called as dark circles. There was no such thing as anxiety. There was no such thing as body dysmorphia and it's getting dark. But okay, you get the gist. I want to go back to my 20s.
Yeah.
And today we have somebody with us who is just
Too real. Too real.
hi.
Hi, I'm Urfi and please follow कर लो यार.
But यही हो गया ना, like is this the way how we introduce ourselves now? कि यार this is my handle और follow कर लो यार.
I think सबका ही CTA
No,
ही
not
है.
everyone does it. No.
But you like to do it.
No, now that my show is coming,
फिर अब जरूरत भी नहीं है. We just checked last 4.9 million है शायद. तो मतलब I
but
think
that's not enough.
oh aim higher. आप इससे भी ऊपर जाएंगे.
Exactly, it's not 49 millions. That point
my
in between
God.
is bothering me a lot.
Really? So you want like 5? मतलब figure अच्छा लगेगा.
Point
5.
49 she's saying. You remove the point.
But तो 50 ही करते हैं ना. फिर हम let's do 50.
But do you think like this ambition comes because you're in 20 and you're very young? Or were you always like that?
I mean, of course, everyone in their 20s is crazier and more ambitious than they are in their 30s. Either they have achieved something or they just lose interest in it.
20s are also very chaotic. Like I remember in my 20s I used to do all
ऐसे
kinds
लग रहा है
of.
पुराने जमाने की. मुझे याद है मेरे जमाने में.
मेरा जमाना ही हो गया.
Has it changed for you in terms of dating? कि पहले early 20s में अलग था, while like how you even saw boys was different. Now it's extremely different कि नहीं ये तो बॉस नहीं चलेगा मेरा. Like now that I'm closer to 30s और या 25 क्रॉस करने के बाद ये मैं नहीं सह सकती. This is मेरा max इतना ही है.
Yeah, I mean, earlier I was looking for rich guys. Now it doesn't matter.
I think अब ज़्यादा clear
Now you are the rich guy.
Yeah. Marry the rich man. She is the rich man. Yeah.
Now that I'm earning good and I think my priorities have changed. I just want a nice man. Earlier it was like handsome bhi ho, rich bhi ho. So I think I've left those superficial expectations.
So how do you like rate the qualities in a guy? Finance, nature, looks.
I'm looking for a guy in finance.
No, I just stopped there. I'm looking for a guy.
Very nice.
Not like guys are lining like that for
Are they not?
No.
एक तो outside image हम सबको ऐसे ही लगता है यार. ये तो मतलब of course they are lining up. It's going to happen.
No one is.
When was the
lining
last
up.
time you went on a date?
If you watch the show, you will know.
But give थोड़ा सा तो idea.
No, you have to watch the show
Okay,
to know
fine.
about.
I also want to ask कि कोई if I have a friend जिसको मुझे बताना है कि please अपनी dating ऐसे खराब करो. Do you have a tip कि मतलब this is how you fuck it up?
I mean, I think I was the bad date. I can't really blame the guy, man. I was stuck up.
So there's a lot of good relationship dating advice out there कि ये करो. What is a bad dating advice? ये मत करना.
ये मत करना.
हाँ.
और ये करोगे तो fuck up हो जाएगा.
I don't know. I think we expect too much after we are in the relationship. कि ऐसा कर लो, ऐसा, we try to change the person.
You have attained a lot of maturity.
Yeah, I was just going to say, like you are 20 days away from Vipassana course. मतलब बस show खत्म होने के बाद we know where to find you. It's going to happen soon for you.
Next show relationship advice.
But I have learned a lot. I have learned my lessons and I have whenever जब भी मेरा एक रिलेशनशिप खत्म होता है I तब तक तो गुस्सा रहता है, you blaming the other person कि चूतिया था, ये था, वो था, but then after some time you sit back and think अच्छा मेरी गलती कहाँ पे हो गई यार, अपना कैसे
ये
improve
तो
करेंगे?
काफी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है यार.
और ये
तो
खुद
बढ़िया
है या फिर थेरेपी, मेंटल हेल्थ, काउंसलिंग?
I have realized that I am improving myself not because I want to improve myself. I am improving myself because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सक्सेसफुल इंसान बनने के लिए अपने आप को सुधारना जरूरी है.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम किसी गलत पॉडकास्ट given that you have so much following and everybody knows you, does that affect your dating when you meet guys? Do they ask you a lot of personal questions?
But I have not dated anyone
After
since the time I got famous. So I
not
don't-
even went on a date.
हाँ, I have met guys. हाँ, मतलब somewhere I do feel कि some guys are with me only because I'm popular.
But do they say something?
हाँ,
क्या कि हमारी स्टोरी डाल देना?
नहीं, वो ना रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी अपनाते हैं, तब मुझे गुस्सा आती है कि वो ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट बनने की कोशिश करते हैं.
जैसे कि
मैं
so interested.
हाँ, ये यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि ये तुम बेटा अभी नए आए हो, तुमसे बहुत देखा है. So मुझे बोलेंगे ओ माय गॉड अगर हमें पैप्स ने पकड़ लिया तो, एंड आई एम लाइक चूतिया, यू हैव लाइक लिटरली 0 फॉलोअर्स, तुझे कौन पूछ रहा है यार?
But they want it, of course.
They want it
कि चाहिए कोई follow करे.
No, I don't want paps to catch me, and I'm like, even if they do catch us together, they're not going to publish your videos because you're a no one. So you can calm down. They have 0 interest in it.
But have paps ever like caught you?
Yeah,
or
but they were not interested in the guy.
So
they were not popular.
So सिर्फ उर्फी की फोटो आई थी वो साइड में, ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि कोई
Unless I'm going out with a very popular guy, then they'll be
have
interested.
you ever?
Ever.
Do you avoid it consciously?
No, ऐसा मतलब कोई मिला नहीं. Consciously I won't avoid anything. I'm not like अच्छा इसको डेट नहीं करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है, नहीं. जो भी if I like someone, then I like someone.
So you are open to the possibility of
dating a popular guy.
no, or dating in general, like if
Of
she's
course,
looking
I'm
for a
sure.
relationship.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Relationship or love?
मतलब दोनों वही हुआ ना, अगर रिलेशनशिप
अरे यार.
ये तो अलग ही, ये गलत हो गया उर्फी.
Some people just want the perks of relationship.
Yeah.
That I just want to.
situationship.
Yeah, also the idea of love is very nice, you know, कि दूर से बहुत अच्छा लगता है यार, जब मुझे प्यार होगा ना तो मैं ऐसा
That is
होगा.
not love. That is crush. Crush तो मुझे हर दूसरे इंसान से हो जाता है. Yeah, I fall in love. Love me crush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
मुझे हर दूसरे लड़के पे क्रश हो जाता है, बहुत solid वाला. And for 2 months I'm like
2 months.
2 months.
And
Yeah,
then
2 months is then
Validity खत्म. बस
Yeah,
उसके
and then
बाद.
I'm like I'm gonna marry.
So
In
you-
my head I'm
So you're
married.
and then you ghost them. You ghosted people.
No, I can't even tell them that I like them. So just get.
So that's called soft ghosting then.
Yeah,
अरे पर
the
कभी
term
कुछ
for it.
बोला ही नहीं है.
अच्छा कुछ it's in your head, one-sided वो
Yeah,
Ali.
it's one side.
Doom from Ali.
That person.
Yeah, Ali from Doom. शादी हो गई है मेरी. मैं
हाँ,
sorted
but
हूँ.
that person will
उसको
never
नहीं
know.
पता है.
बिल्कुल नहीं, never.
Would you date somebody at a workplace?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
I love
Everything
that
is
smile.
open.
If
Is that
Smithil is hearing this,
she's nodding and she's like, please
you know
do
what I
not-
mean? She
Love that for you.
I
Love
guess
that for you,
there's some
sister.
there are some options I guess.
No, yaar.
But what is an absolute no? कि ये तो नहीं होगा.
When a guy brags a lot about his money, so I
That's a
don't,
no-go.
Have money but don't gloat about it.
yeah, that I don't like those guys, and I don't like. बाकी सब चलेगा.
So in your show, there are also your siblings and all. So you are the eldest
No. I have one elder sister,
and one younger.
2
One.
younger, and 1 brother.
So total
5.
5. So
Oh,
you are
lovely.
the middle.
Almost the middle.
Not middle, second.
Second.
How has that been?
कोई
Like
ऐसा-
were you sandwiched in between?
Maybe
Yeah,
I
they-
try to protect them, but not like
Yeah,
in a-
that's exactly what
but
it
not
is.
emotionally. We're not that close. Me and my siblings are not emotionally that close with each other. I am not close with them.
Emotionally means you're not very lovey-dovey, but do you fight a lot? Because anger is also an emotion. Therapy.
ऐसा तो फिर मैं पूरी दुनिया से ही close.
No, but siblings fight in a very different
Yeah,
way.
we do fight. Of course, we fight a lot.
And that is covered, that a lot of it is now out on the show.
Yeah. You can
And
see.
a fight is also covered in the show because that was also there in the
There is
trailer.
not one fight.
Achha, not. Oh, okay.
Because we're 5 siblings, so it's not possible that 5 of us can sit together and talk normally. That has never happened.
क्या होता है गैंग अप करते हैं कि मतलब ये 3 इस साइड हो गए 2
हाँ,
इस साइड
वही
हो गए
होता है, हाँ।
कि मतलब तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारी पार्टी वो है तुम्हारी पार्टी वो है कि अरे तुम कहाँ जा
नहीं,
रहे हो
हर सिचुएशन में डिफरेंट है हर सिचुएशन में.
But do you, like, who takes your side? Your favorite sibling? Or
होता है यार ये तो 5 में तो
my
होगा
youngest one, Dolly, I think she always takes my side.
and you also have
Yeah,
back.
because I feel she's mature. The youngest one is the most mature.
हो जाता है यार ये कभी कभी.
हाँ because
I think they have seen how the elder one have fucked up.
Yeah.
So they won't do it.
I
They're
mean,
very
but
cautious.
not really. I don't think that we're fucked up. Like me and my elder sister. We
Fucked up in the way that like whatever small mistakes they watch, the younger siblings
Because
watch.
we grew up in a very different condition. So I just feel that we were allowed. मतलब very toxic situation at the house and everywhere. So the way we grew up and the way we chose to behave, it wasn't in our control. Yeah, we were just responding to trauma and we were just trying our best to survive.
And that brought you more
Together?
closer?
yeah
Or was it like,
Not in ways कि I can have a chit chat with my sister. ऐसा नहीं है. But in ways that we'll always be there for each other.
but you keep secrets from each other?
We don't tell each other anything.
Anything?
तभी तो लड़ाइयाँ हो रही हैं ऐसे ही ऐसे ही ट्रेलर में थोड़ी ना आ गया It's
No,
just-
we're not those kind of siblings who share कि बैठ के आओ बहन बातें करते हैं. अच्छा तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है? कोई चीज जो obvious है वो obvious है. जो नहीं है वो फिर जाके मैं बताऊंगी नहीं अपनी बहनों को.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it's we're not. मतलब my rest of my siblings can be close, but my relationship with them is very. There's a line
There's a
drawn.
line. And how long, like, did this shoot last? How long were you guys together in
1.5,
this?
2 months.
months
All the time being followed by the camera.
how was that
एक दिन के बाद भूल जाते हो.
the question is कि so you are very used to it these people are also like हाँ ठीक है यार है
एक
तो
दिन के बाद सब भूल जाते हैं.
Really?
You forget. You because it just becomes a part of your life. You forget. You don't really.
And then you're not conscious that, oh, the camera is watching me, so let me not say this. ये
No.
नहीं बोलते हैं.
I never was, but I can't get into their head. I don't know what they must have thought, but I wasn't.
जनता का सवाल ये है कि आप कमेंट्स पढ़ती हैं क्या
नहीं नहीं
कभी भी
नहीं comments नहीं पढ़ती हूँ.
But I don't think वैसे ट्रैक भी रखा जा सकता है given the kind of following but we
And
really
there
want
are
to
many
know
negative comments on my
Yeah.
post. I
Yeah.
don't think so. It's all right. So जब कोई किसी मतलब वो एक ऑप्शन आता है ना कि people you follow वो वाले comments पढ़ लेती हूँ friends.
yeah because they're kind
Yeah.
also हाँ
हाँ वो तो अच्छे होते हैं. बाकी no, I don't read comments or.
And who is your 3 a.m. friend? Like
I am asleep by 11 a.m. I don't have 3
11 p.m.
11 p.m. Sorry.
So you're not a night owl.
No, not at all.
she is on the right side of 20s I figure I think ये सही side of मुझे नहीं ऐसे raging 20s है ही नहीं है बढ़िया sorted समझदार मुझे सब पता बहुत अच्छी 20s है
नहीं,
no
मुझे
it's
सब
a
नहीं
good
पता है.
compliment
But मुझे सब नहीं पता है. But I'm just trying to better myself. Of course, I go out party. ऐसा नहीं है. But not every day. Maybe twice a month. So then I'm out till late. But then rest of the days I try to sleep early and wake up at 6:30, 7. Go to the gym.
प्यारी लड़की यार
Okay.
सारी मम्मियाँ कितनी खुश
All
होंगी
mothers are
यार
very
यार
happy.
देखो 6:30 बजे उठ जाती है रात को टाइम पे सोती है कभी कभी जाती है पार्टी दिस सो नाइस वी वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग उर्फी दैट हमें एडवाइस मिलेगी बट ऑलमोस्ट एट एवरी सेंटेंस आई हैव समथिंग दैट आई कैन टेक बैक कि मैं टाइम पे सो रही हूँ मेरा रजीम है एक मैं सुबह वर्कआउट भी कर रही हूँ और
But you guys don't need to be what I am.
absolutely
And I'm
but
not
it's
even-
inspirational I think
I mean, it's good. But you can have your own timetable.
yeah
Even if, because there are some people who work at night. Like उनको रात में जैसे गाने लिखने
Yeah.
होते हैं ना, some
Yeah.
people. And but it is important to work out. Even if you're doing some sort of exercise, that's just good for your body. So but it's okay to not even if someone is on the right track, it's okay to not be on the right track. I feel it's all right to, we all have our own journey and paths, and जब जिसको realize होना है ना वो खुद से होगा, किसी और का देखा था कि कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Unpopular self-care tips, like besides working out or sleeping early and skincare.
You should go out on weekends and drink. Honestly, do enjoy that
Real
glass
advice.
of wine. Yeah, just chill, and sometimes just do things when you get drunk. Like I do mad shit when I'm drunk.
This is just prompting me to ask something. Like what mad
Everyone
shit?
has seen it.
Oh, okay. Everything is
It's
okay.
out there. Yeah.
What are you manifesting for your 30s?
मैंने उतना नहीं सोचा, but I do want to have a unicorn. And yeah, by the time I hit at least 32, 33, कुछ तो बड़ा हो जाए.
Entrepreneur.
Yeah,
Entrepreneur. Big business ideas. Actually, of course, you know this, that you are unknowingly a business-minded person. You've cracked it. Like, you know what you're doing with your next steps. You know that this is going to work. Ye journey
no, I don't know.
it looks like,
it is
you know,
just a risk-taking thing which I'm doing. Somehow it worked in my favor. मुझे genuinely अभी तक नहीं पता है, but somehow it worked in my favor. So there was, जो मैं कर रही थी उसका कोई वो नहीं था कि मुझे Amazon का शो मिल जाएगा. It was not like it was कि ऐसे करने से ये होगा. बस मैंने रिस्क लिया.
I think we can move to the last segment
so important.
of the show, which is called Too Real or Not. So we'll just share some things and you just say that is it too real for you or not. Okay. So first is pre-25 and post-25 dating is way different. Is it too real or not?
Yeah, too real.
Too real.
Too real?
How like you become more responsible?
I think your choices change. So you choose different people when you're later part of your life. The people you would have never chosen in your early 20s. So
priorities change.
Yeah, I'm ready to date ugly people. Okay, just be a good guy.
Priorities.
In my early 20s.
No 6 feet.
Yeah, now it's nothing like that. Earlier I was like, the good looking, handsome, 6 feet. Like otherwise, no, below that, no, now chill, yeah. We should vibe, that's it.
Vibe. Like classic tall, dark and handsome hota hai sabka. I think that clearly changes everyone. Yeah. Okay, surgeries are overrated. Too real or not?
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
If you have some insecurity, go for it.
But do you think it increases that insecurity the more we... No?
मतलब if अगर मैं 4 साल से सोच रही हूँ that मेरी नाक टेढ़ी है, but if I fix it, it's actually fixing my problem.
Like you are feeling good about it, I guess. So that's what's more important.
Doesn't matter.
To me, no.
Bollywood parties are too much fun.
I've never been to any, so I can't.
None?
I don't know if I can call it Bollywood. I've been to a few.
Industry party or whatever.
No, I'm not invited. I'm not friends with a lot of people.
But you have like a close circle of... So you're more like a house party, close circle.
I'm not a party person.
You're not a party person.
11 baje to wo so rahi hai yaar. Excuse me.
11 PM, good night.
I have phases. Kabhi-kabhi, I like going for dinners. So I like going for dinners and having my wine bottle, but not raging party. That happens 3 months में एक बार, 6 months में एक बार.
Social media detox is bullshit.
No, I think it's a good thing.
Do you do it?
No, I don't do it, but I don't mind. I should actually. I'm too obsessed.
Would you mind? Like, do you think you can survive like 1 week का social media detox? कि मुझे नहीं, मैं देखूंगी भी नहीं.
I want to. Honestly, I want to. I want to do it. I've not done it, but I want to do it.
So we'll give this a try. Nice.
I will. I'm too addicted. I feel I'm addicted.
Only so you don't have any other person who manages your social media. You yourself do it.
I do it myself.
Everything.
कुछ है ही नहीं, इतना क्या करना है?
हाँ बस 4.9 million followers है.
No, but
इतने से तो लोग हैं.
But not like I just upload and just.
You don't see it later.
Yeah, and then not like it's a very formal thing that I'm doing.
Yeah.
कि कुछ ये डालना है, वो डालना है, ये भी करना है. Like ऐसा कुछ planned तो कुछ है नहीं.
If you have to give our audience 3 reasons कि क्यों follow कर लो यार, तो बस वो 3 reasons बता दो.
3 reasons because see if you hate me, that is one reason. you might get more reasons to hate me. If you're curious about me, again,
Valid.
more reasons. And if you like reality shows, then just give it a chance.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you, yaar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
follow कर लो यार. I think that much is enough. And follow दोबारा.
Follow
And
Dobara, follow
please,
Turiel.